past few decades, Simmons has worked with hundreds of customers across the food processing industry to develop unique blades for their cutting operations. As a result, Simmons has been able to refine our food processing blades for the bread slicing, meat cutting, and produce harvesting industries, among others. Let's take a look at them. Simmons started by manufacturing bread slicing blades in 1946, and we've had plenty of time to improve upon the original product since then. Now, Simmons manufactures band blades for bun or loaf slicing, as well as reciprocating bread slicing blades for OEM machines like Burkle and Oliver, among others. Simmons manufactures a handful of different blades for meat cutting operations. For bone-in meat cutting, we recommend using our signature SimCut butcher blades. Not only are Simmons butcher blades produced from specialized steel with a superior tooth configuration, but their longer blade life helps to lower cutting costs while still yielding fast, clean cuts with minimal waste. When it comes to boneless meat cutting operations, there are a few blades we'd recommend depending on the application. Knife edge blades are almost always a good choice for cutting deli meats, cheese, and fresh fish. We've also worked with customers who use our V-tooth blades to slice bacon or pepperoni for various food products. If you're cutting more dense boneless meats like beef, pork, or chicken, you're better off using scallop or B3 blades. These blades feature a hardened cutting edge as well as their own unique profiles that provide aggressive slices through all kinds of boneless meat without creating waste. Users of both these blades typically report excellent product penetration and an increased meat yield. Whether you're harvesting just a couple of acres or hundreds of acres of produce like lettuce, spinach, or spring mix, you're in the right place. Simmons can manufacture both reciprocating scallop blades for manual cutting tools and scallop band knife blades for large-scale produce harvesting machinery. In addition to produce harvesting, Simmons has a history of working with OEMs to help refine specialty slicing and dicing applications for fruits and vegetables. We can provide multiple edge types for applications like vegetable dicers, onion flower slicers, tomato slicers, and more. While Simmons has served dozens of customers across the bread slicing, meat cutting, and produce cutting and harvesting industries, our experience in the food processing industry doesn't end there. If your food processing operations involve any type of cutting, slicing, or sawing, then we can help you find the blade that best fits your needs. Contact us today to see for yourself.